That's a resonant frequency. Let's tame that. So what I'll do from here is set this back to Unity and go over to the compressor side of the EQ and dial in my compressor settings. Now we're just going to set our threshold as demonstrated by this blue line that you see here now. So that's our threshold. If you notice, as soon as the sound exceeds the threshold, we're going to start having gain reduction or attenuation, let's use the EQ terms, around that frequency range, which automatically makes the resonant frequencies in that frequency range sort of disappear. Now the guitar is smoother to me. Do you understand? It sounds a lot cleaner to me. That's how I use dynamic EQs. But that's not all. Obviously, there are other compressor settings that you have to take into consideration. For example, attack. You know how fast you want the compressor to compress. For instruments like this, I typically like to set the attack to be a slow attack so that I can just have a bit of transient cutting through. And then I like to do the release depending on the sound source. For example, this is sort of like a pad because it's a reverse guitar, right? So I will have a bit of slower release, maybe somewhere around like 135 milliseconds or thereabout. So it just holds on to the sound source a bit longer, right?